Welcome to Doha's Hamad International Airport. This isn't just an airport, it's part luxury mall, part art museum, and part sci-fi movie set. Let's take a quick journey through one of the most impressive airports on the planet. And I promise, by the end, you might actually want a long layover here. Hamad International Airport is home to The Orchard, a real indoor tropical garden with over 300 trees and 25,000 plants, all living under a massive glass roof. There's natural light, flowing water, walking paths, and yes, this is still an airport. It's climate-controlled, eco-engineered, and designed to reduce stress for travelers. Hamad International Airport is the main hub of Qatar Airways, one of the world's most awarded airlines. It opened in 2014 and was designed from day one to handle massive global traffic, over 50 million passengers a year, with room to grow, and grow it did. This artwork, officially called Lamp Bear, was created by Swiss artist Urs Fischer and stands over 20 feet tall. It's not just cute, it's worth millions of dollars, making it one of the most expensive public artworks in any airport. This airport regularly ranks among the top airports in the world, often competing with Singapore and Tokyo for the #1 spot. It's known for super smooth security, immaculate cleanliness, friendly service, and some of the best airport design anywhere. Here, the corridors are wide and unhurried. Spaces designed to be experienced, not rushed through. Unlike traditional airports, Doha turns transit into a showcase, with curated public art and even luxury cars on display, blurring the line between airport and gallery. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like thumb, share it, leave your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the Globalist Experience. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.